welcome to Vlogmas. Are you ready for the videos? 25 days of Christmas. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Please and thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oops, sorry about that, but your girl about to do a cooking video. We about to get an in-depth cooking video today, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. That way you will know if I want to post. And yeah, stay tuned for the rest of this video. Let's get it. Okay, guys, this is what I'll be making today for dinner. We got macaroni and cheese, 2 boxes, and then we have a big bag of wingettes, which consist of drums and flats. And then, of course, we got our French cut green beans. And right now, I'm about to take this chicken here and rinse, wash it good. And then we're going to put in a whole bunch of seasonings on. You already know how I do. And this is about to be some baked chicken. We got some soul food seasoning. Of course, we got some garlic salt. You can't go wrong without the pepper. Make it fit where it fits. Don't fall, please. Don't fall, don't fall. What else do I normally put in this? Oh, you can't go wrong without the sazon. You already know this, man. I wouldn't add no salt because it already has some salt in the garlic salt, but you always add some extra parsley. And those are my main ingredients for this baked chicken that I'm about to do. And here are my pans. Well, I only need one, but you get the gist. You get the gist. So let's get started and wash your hands and wash this chicken at the same time. So yeah, stay tuned, babies.
Okay guys, so now that we washed our chicken, it's time to add the seasonings. We got some black pepper going on here. You can never have too much black pepper. So this is a lot of chicken. So eventually when you put them all together, it's going to be just right. Gotta add in our garlic salt. Always have a lot of flavor. And of course you're going to add some more parsley. Because parsley, it don't have a taste, but it's always good to have extra. Presentation is everything, right? Right. No chicken left behind. I think that should be enough. But I can always go back and add some more because you know that's what I do. And of course we got soul food seasoning. The more seasonings, the better. Shake some of that on. Alright. I wonder if I should add some sazon because it's kind of like the same thing. We got some salt, garlic, paprika, onion, and spices including red and black pepper. I mean, we can't add in 2 of these because, you know, more flavor rather than bland. And we're going to add 2 packets of sazon. And then we're going to use this other packet for our green beans. Because, you know, stuff has to have flavor, darling. Okay, I know, we would get you another battery. Like, come on now. Rue, you see me trying to do a video, you want to pop in like somebody say hey to you. Ain't nobody say hey to you. Like, what in the world? What's wrong with these people? Like, huh. Let me stop. You gotta be losing her mind. Alright, that's enough. So now let's go for the mixer. We're gonna take our ring off because we don't want no cross-contamination. And yeah, because who the heck's gonna eat in this food? Not I. I mean, let's get into it.
Oh, okay. This is how your chicken should look once it's all been marinated. Look at all of this lovely goodness. No chicken left behind. It is seasoned to perfection. Now that we got this seasoned, we're going to take our pan. Hold on. I'm going to have to use the sink for this. No, I'm not. Hold on. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, guys, we're back. We're going to preheat this oven to 350. And then we're just gonna pour in this chicken. Woo-hoo. We're gonna add in a little bit of butter to this. So So it gives it that nice, crust, if you know what I mean. But look at that lovely goodness. Look at that lovely goodness. Oh, I need a fork or a spoon or something. And then, once we add in our butter, we just need one more stick piece of butter, and that's it. All right. That's all she wrote. Now we're going to cover this up with some aluminum foil and put it in the oven. I'll wash my hands after I finish. And this is going to go in the oven for on 350 for an hour. So I'm going to start on the macaroni and cheese and the oh, this is breakfast from this morning. That's some breakfast wraps I made. And we're going to put this in. Those are breakfast wraps I made this morning. While that's done, I'm going to clean off the stove. And then I'm going to start with macaroni and cheese and the string beans. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now we're going to put on our greens. I love me some green beans. And that's just the oven starting. Oh, let me season. Well, yeah, I'll season these first with some black pepper. Pepper it in. And of course, I add garlic salt to the string beans. I don't know, it just gives it a better flavor. And I love it. Can y'all see? Oh yeah, y'all can see it very well. And the last we're gonna add in our packet of sazon. I normally would add, I think I'll add in some bacon bits to this. You know, you gotta hook it up. Let me see. Let's see, where you at? Where you at? Hold on, guys. Okay, I'm back. I've got the bacon bits. We're just gonna add a little bit. Because for some reason, these bacon bits, they be giving us heartburn. And it ain't even, I wouldn't say it's not even real, but you know, it is what it is. And then, of course, we got to add out our water. Whoa, I just spilled some on the floor. All right, that was just about 3 cups of water. And we're gonna let these cook on down on medium heat and occasionally stir. See, the macaroni don't take that long, so I'll be back around an hour when the chicken is done to make the macaroni. So y'all stay tuned for the rest of this cooking video. Ooh, look at these green beans. This is starting to look good. But let's check on this chicken though. Ooh, look at these beauties. We're gonna leave them in for another 30 minutes and I will show y'all the final results, but these are looking good. Look at that seasoning, baby. No chicken left behind. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Now we're gonna start our macaroni. I already added salt to the water. That's 1. This is 2. And of course, y'all already know this is pretty self-explanatory. We're going to bring it to a boil. Let's get us a utensil. Oh, we use this little spoon. And we're just going to stir. So that way nothing gets stuck underneath. And we don't have no mushy macaroni. We're just going to let this come to a boil in 8 to 10 minutes. So let's check on these greens. Look at those. They should be almost about done. They've been on for almost an hour. Probably give them another 15-20 minutes and they're officially done. This is our water for our macaroni. So y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video. Look at these bad boys. They're coming together so nicely. Like, yes. Starting to get their little brown color on. We're probably going to leave this in for another 25 minutes. And then they should be officially done. So they'll be cooked for an hour and 30 minutes. Y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video. Yes, baby. Coming to a boil. And these are officially done.
Okay, so the noodles were actually done. Now it's time to add in our sauce and cheese. And you can't always, cook it up, so we gotta pour in some milk. We'll add a little butter. That should be enough. That's enough butter. We're gonna add in our cheese sauce, 2 packs. You know Mama has been actually girl was washing dishes, and of course you see cooking food. Push this in there. And the good thing is these noodles are still hot. You don't have to worry about the cheese, sticking, like it's sticking because it's thick.
Okay, look at all this creamy goodness. It's creamy. We're gonna put this so it thickens a little on medium to low heat. And then we're gonna stir in some extra cheese. We got the cheddar and Monterey Jack. The rest of this. Whew. Turn that off because we do not want no burned, scorched macaroni. But yes, look at all of this. Yummy goodness. Woo! Y'all see that? That looks so good, right? Look at all of that. Ooh, cheesy, cheesy. Yes, sir. This is officially done. Nice and cheesy. Now the chicken is officially done. I had to turn it up to 400 for extra 15 minutes and now it's done.